Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to activate your Forever 21 gift card right from your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. Make sure you are logged into your Forever 21 account. Once you are logged in, now in order to get the gift card, you can buy it directly from the Forever 21. So here you can see the search bar, tap on it, type gift card. Here you can see gift cards are available to purchase directly from the website. So you can tap on it and you can purchase this according to your choice. After you purchase the gift card, you will receive the email from Forever 21 that contains your gift card. In the email, you'll see the gift card number and PIN. You will need this information later. Now in order to activate your gift card, in the Forever 21 website, go to your profile. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right, tap on it. Once you're in the profile section, scroll down to the bottom and here you can see the option check your gift card balance. And there is a link beside it, so tap on that link. It will prompt you to this screen where you can enter your gift card number and your PIN number that you got through the email. Once you enter your gift card number and your PIN, you can now tap on check balance option to see if it's activated or not. If you have successfully purchased the gift card, you will see the balance in your gift card and you will know that your gift card is activated. And that's it. That's how you can activate your Forever 21 gift card using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.